In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive pages in Notion. Archiving is a great way to keep your workspace tidy without deleting anything important. While Notion doesn't have a traditional archive button like some other apps, there's a simple workaround that keeps everything organized and easy to find later. Start by going to notion.com in your browser and clicking Login. Sign into your account, then proceed to the workspace you want to work on. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the right one so you don't move pages accidentally. Next, look for the page you want to archive. This could be a project that's finished, notes you don't need every day, or anything you want out of the way, but still accessible. Keep in mind that in Notion, archived content is essentially content you've moved to a dedicated place for storage. Because Notion doesn't include a built-in archive feature, you'll create your own archive page as a container. In the sidebar, click the new page icon to create a fresh page. Name it archive so it's easy to recognize later. You can leave it blank or add a short note reminding yourself what goes there, like completed projects or old documentation. Placing this archive page at the root of your workspace helps keep everything centralized. Now find the page you want to archive again, hover over it and click the three-dot icon to open the page menu. Choose Move To, then select the archive page you just made. That's it. The page is now safely stored inside Archive, out of your main view but still intact. You can repeat this for any other pages you want to clean up. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If you're archiving a page that has subpages, moving the parent will bring its subpages along, preserving your structure. If you ever need to bring something back, open the archive page, click the three-dot icon on the page you want, and use Move To, again, to place it back where you need it. Nothing is deleted by moving it. All content remains searchable, so you can still find archive pages using Notion's search bar. That's the simple and reliable method to archive pages in Notion by creating your own archive page and moving items into it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.